motherfuck all y'all. Mr. Mike Tyson flow, uppercut all y'all. Step into my ring, bitches. Ding ding, bitches. Click clack, pow pow, bing bing, bitches. I'm the dream machine, I mean keen vision. I can see through your scene like clear screens. Hear me, to a lion you are just dear me. Fear God, fear me, Siri, us, BYM. Try them and die when I say so. Weezy F4 for ego, like Grego. It's all gravy, tryna build like Lego. That a Lego, my ego, with the breakfast on the table. Yeah, and I don't know how fake feel, nickel. Cause all my life I've been a real nickel. Fuck your girlfriend, fuck your homie too. I drop bombs, I'm in the booth in an army suit. And I'm armed to shoot, and I'm a marksman too. And you the target, oops. And everything get better with time, and time is forever. And motherfucker, it's my time, and I'm better.
I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody as ruthless. I'm Sonny Liston, I'm Jack Dempsey. There's no one like me. I'm from Nairclaw. There's no one that can match me.
Oh, I go so hard. I'm so gone, my ID is a postcard. I travel like B-ball with no calls. I play my role and listen out for the roll call. This is a movie and every movie must go off. But this gangster doesn't die like old dog. Say what up, blood, with the lick read. 5-star general in the 6B. Still hood like thick cheese, bitch please. Him squeeze quicker than the wind breeze. Bullets that'll trim trees. Simply shoot till it's empty. Beam and turn that thick cheese to Swiss cheese. Follow me, fuck around and see a whole nother side of me. I separate your body with them hollow tips. Biologists, photographers. Picture me in your bedroom with a mask on. Pistol to your head while you putting your pants on. Hurry up, nigga. Peyton Manning outfits. Singletary defense. Super duper extra much, really very street shit. That is how I keep it. Rest in peace, beats it. I do it how I do it, cause I know my niggas see me. And I'ma hold it down, bitch. Yeah, that